Everyone, this is me, Pavnika. So, as you all know that today is National Science Day. So, on the behalf of Science Day, I have made a non-working biological model of human body layers. So, we all know that human body is basically made up of four main layers. So, starting with the first layer is our skin, which is also known as integumentary system. It protects our body from several issues and infection. It also maintains the body temperature and allows us to feel touches, pain, heat and cold. Inside this you can see the nervous system. It is the second system. It is the second system in the human body. It controls and coordinates the all activities in the human body and also the brain. It helps us to remind messages, learn and think and feelings. It is the longest nerve in the human body is the sciatic nerve. Inside it, you can see the muscular system. This is the system who is responsible for all the movements in our body. It is made up of the muscles that help us to talk, walk, read, and write, and even to breathe. And there are three types of muscle in human body: cardiac muscles, skeletal muscles, and smooth muscles. It is important for the flexibility and motion of the body. Inside it, you can see the skeleton system. You can see the skull, and you can see the rib cage. It is the framework of 206 bones in an adult and 270 bones in a newborn. The longest bone in the human body is femur, the thigh bone, and the smallest bone in the human body is stapes of ear. And it protects many type of organ like the brain and the lungs. You can see the internal view of the lungs and the heart. This is the brain. It is a part of nervous system. It helps us to remind memory and even what is going in our surrounding. For example, if we touch something hot, the nervous system sends message to the brain and we pull our hand away.
And what this section is called?
Which section?
When you caught by any fire or when you put your hand on a fire, suddenly you take it back. What this section called? And who controls it?
The brain. And the brain is made up of the brain consists of three parts: cerebrum, and medulla oblongata. And you can see the rib cage. Inside the rib cage, there is lungs. The lungs are to purify the gas by exchanging the transfer of inhaled gas into the blood and throwing the waste away. And inside this, you can see the heart. The heart is the most vital organ for the blood blood release in our body. The cardiac muscles helps to pump the blood. It pumps a heart pumps blood 72 times in a minute. It is the size of your fist and it weighs 250 to 350 grams. And here is the whole. These organs are responsible for the digestion. Here we choose the food with our teeth, and then it passes through it mixes with the saliva and passes through the esophagus into our stomach. And here it mixes with the gastric juice, and now it passes through the small intestine. Here, whole process of digestion is completed. Then water is absorbed by the large intestine and the waste is get out of the body. And here you can see the spinal cord, also known as the backbone. We have two kidneys to purify the blood and it also makes the urine to purify our body. And its length is 10 to 12 centimeter long. So this is how our body works with several organs. Thank you and have a nice.
Okay, how many